Hello guys, welcome back to Kanatu Studios, and today we are going to continue on in Cool Math Games Papa Pizzeria. So, this is the screen from the end of last episode of the Papa's Pizzeria, so let's do this. So, okay. Tips today, $3.90. Total tip $3. Newbie. Let's continue. Day 2. So let's go. Okay, take order. I want to take the orders first. Okay. Want to cut in sixths. Okay, we'll put that up on the rack and go here. Topping station. Here, make pizza. He wants 4 in this half of his pizza. There, and that's good. Now into the oven, and now the tick mark over down there. So that's gonna take a long time. In the meantime, make sure to like and subscribe. So let's go back to the order station. Oh, somebody else is coming. Take order. Won't. Better go back to the baking station. First, okay. I think we're good. Okay. Make pizza. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now into the oven for first tick mark. That cutting out. Okay. That one's about. Oh. It's good. Okay, and we need to cut for the shorter. I need to go baking. Come on. Baking station. That's good. It's good. No, come on. We need to slice it first down here. And then we want to slice it this way. And this way. Finish. Okay, let's go back to the order station. Oh, okay. Order. Okay, we'll take your order. Okay. Okay, there. Now let's go put those up on the rack. Topping station, we'll do this first. Big pizza. This half, we want 4 pepperonis on. That's the line. Into the oven. Then we want to go back to the topping station. Put this up and make the pizza as fast as we can. Come on. I've got to make it fast. Fast. Fasto. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we gotta go to the baking station. Okay, that's good. And now down here, down here, down here, down here. Fish order. Okay, go to stop baking. Where did it go? Oh, make pizza. I thought I'd stay at the topping station waiting for me. Come on. Into the oven. We gotta wait now. In the meanwhile. No, we're closed. Wait until it gets to the first tick mark, everybody. And almost and done. He wants it in fourths. Cut. Gotta go that point. Finished. We are done. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Hope you hit that subscribe and like button, turn on post notifications. It really helps out the channel. So, hope everybody has a good day. So, bye.